Number 6. Told you we're going to. Number 6. Latest new majority. This is, I'm just going to give you 3 quick instances of some interesting cases. Medellin is a case out of Texas. Many of you are familiar with it. Medellin is a case where the Article 36 of the Vienna Convention requires all signatory states, if they arrest somebody, they've got to notify the arrestee's consular mission and allow them to intervene and consult. And the United States signed Article 36 of the Vienna Convention, and we agreed to accept the jurisdiction of the International Court of Justice. The Chief Justice, Roberts, says, yeah, but there's a difference between accepting jurisdiction of the Court of International Justice and of being bound by its decisions. Now wait a minute. Excuse me, Mr. Chief Justice, I'll accept your jurisdiction, but I'll be fucking goddamn if I'm going to be bound by anything you're asking. What is this? We get to opt out of being bound by some court that we're in their jurisdiction? That's something, I like that. Okay, these are money laundering cases from June 2nd, barely a week ago. I don't know if you saw these, but Cuellar, and we had the companion case to Cuellar, unanimous opinion, again by Justice Thomas, God love him. What they said there was, this is one of those transporting cases. If you remember, to have a federal transporting case, it's not just driving money around, it's you're driving it, you're taking it from the United States to some foreign country. It's got to cross an international boundary. All right? And they said simply hiding money and taking it across the international border is not concealing and disguising for purposes of money laundering. Interesting. What they said is that it's got to be mere hiding is not transporting to conceal any more than mere spending is a money transaction under money laundering. I kind of like all that rhetoric, but what the fuck are they talking about? Well, they say that transportation must be designed to conceal or disguise the nature, location, source, ownership, or control. Well, I'm not sure I get it, but we did win, so more power to us. U.S. versus Santos, a 5-4 decision written by Scalia. Much closer decision, and this was a gambling shop, and what they did is they proved up that they were using the illegal proceeds to pay off gambling winners, to pay their employees, etc. And the Supreme Court in a 5-4 decision said, illegal proceeds means illegal profits. Those were simply expenses. Fuck, I should have taken accounting in college. But then I would have been a doctor, and I would have made a bunch of money. I'd have one of those big homes on. Y'all would go to a nice home tonight instead of ours. Snyder versus Louisiana, the third case that demonstrates what the Supreme Court's been doing. This is Justice Alito. This is surprising. This was a guy. This was a Batson challenge, and there's an African American jury who says, "Well, I go to night school, and I don't know if I can pay attention." And Alito said, as a matter of law, that was unconvincing and pretextual. Who dissented? Thomas. Go figure.